How much should you actually spend on pot lids? Some people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the pricey ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Guanchi silicone lids. We have the Guanchi silicone lids. The set includes 8 colorful lids for just $22.99. What caught my attention was the variety of sizes, which can fit nearly any container in your kitchen. If you're looking to keep your food fresh and avoid messes, this is worth a serious look. These silicone lids are designed for versatility. They come in 6 different sizes, from 4.3 inches to 12 inches, making them suitable for bowls, pots, and pans. The heat and cold resistance is impressive, ranging from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. This means you can safely use them in the microwave, oven, and fridge without worrying about damage. Plus, the easy grip handles protect your hands from burns while cooking. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You won't have to deal with splattering food in the microwave or losing freshness in your fridge. Now, some people complain that the lids don't create a vacuum seal as marketed. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a lid that prevents splatter and keeps food fresh without an actual vacuum, this won't be a deal breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you want a colorful, multifunctional set for a variety of containers. Skip this one if you need a vacuum seal lid for long-term storage. For the price, it adds great value to your kitchen. Now, if Guanchi's vacuum seal issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a glass design.
Product number 2, Kamokuru Universal Lid, a 2-pack priced at $23.99. The first thing I noticed was its versatility. It fits pots and pans ranging from 7 to 12 inches. If you're tired of mismatched lids, this is a solid choice. Made from tempered glass with a silicone outer ring, this lid provides a durable and safe solution for all your cookware. The steam vent allows you to monitor your food without lifting the lid, which is great for preventing spills and moisture loss. Here's why this matters for you. You can cook without constantly checking, saving you time and hassle in the kitchen. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. However, some users mention that the glass can be prone to crocking if dropped. Now, I'll be real with you, if you have kids or pets running around, you might want to handle it with care. But for regular cooking, it's tough enough for daily use. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, easy-to-clean lid for multiple cookware sizes. Skip this one if you need something more rugged for heavy use. For a 2-pack, the value is definitely there. All right, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those with diverse cookware needs.
Product number 3, Udo Blue Universal Lid. The Udo Blue Universal Lid, which fits cookware from 6.5 to 12.5 inches. Right off the bat, I liked its sleek design and how lightweight it is. If you need a practical replacement lid, this one is worth considering. The tempered glass allows you to see your food cooking without lifting the lid, which means you retain heat and moisture for better results. The heat-resistant silicone rim is flexible and creates a secure fit on various pots and pans. Here's why this matters for you. You can keep an eye on your food without letting all the steam escape, which is essential for perfect cooking. One drawback is that it doesn't have a steam vent, meaning you might experience some overflow if cooking at high temperatures. But honestly, if you're careful while cooking, this shouldn't be a major issue. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly, functional lid. Skip this one if you often cook on high heat and need better steam management. For the price, it's a reliable option that won't break the bank. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more style, the next product might catch your eye. Product number 4, Koritao Glass Lid. The list is the Koritao 12-inch glass lid, priced at $16.89. I was immediately impressed by its tempered glass, which feels sturdy and safe. If you want a stylish yet functional lid, this one stands out. The thermal reinforced glass is not only durable, but also oven safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This means you can confidently use it for various cooking methods without worrying about breakage. The stainless steel rim adds an extra layer of protection, making it shatter resistant. Here's why this matters for you. You can cook confidently, knowing that your lid can handle the heat and won't break easily. However, some users mentioned that the handle can feel a bit flimsy. I get it. If you're someone who prefers a more robust handle, this might frustrate you. But for most cooking tasks, it performs well and does the job. This is perfect for you if you have a large cast iron skillet or similar cookware. Skip this one if you prioritize a heavy-duty handle. For the price, you're getting a high-quality lid. All right, that was a stylish pick. But if you're looking for versatility, the last product on my list is all about that.
Product number 5, I Love You Universal Lids. We have the I Love You Universal Lids, which come in a 2-pack for $23.99. What caught my eye was how they fit a range of sizes from 7 to 12 inches. If you're tired of cluttering your kitchen with multiple lids, this is a great solution. The tempered glass and silicone combination offers durability and heat resistance. The venting feature helps prevent spills while you're cooking, allowing for a more enjoyable cooking experience. Here's why this matters for you. You can avoid those annoying overflow moments and keep your kitchen clean. On the downside, some customers mention the edge of the silicone can wear out over time. But honestly, if you're careful with your lids, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. They still provide excellent value for what you pay. This is perfect for you if you want a space-saving solution for your cookware. Skip this one if you often cook at high temperatures and need something more heavy-duty. For the price, getting 2 lids is a fantastic deal.
So there you have it. The Guanchi silicone lids for versatility, Kamokuru universal lid for a solid glass option, Auto Blue for a budget-friendly choice, Korita for style, and I Love You for space-saving functionality. Each lid has its strengths and weaknesses, but they all provide value in their own way. Choose the one that fits your cooking style best.